This is Aitana, and as you can see here, this is her Instagram account, and as you can see, she has amassed a lot of followers. She has currently 350,000 followers. But let me surprise you, she's not real. She doesn't exist. This is an AI creation. The character is consistent. Look at the hairstyle. And this account, as you can see here, it earns over $120,000 each year. And you may ask, how does this character Aitana make money? How does the creators behind this AI model make money? They use her to promote outfits. She's a model. She's an AI influencer that promotes outfits for various companies. She is in various outfits and she earns from wearing these outfits. I want to show you how you can make a similar character and start earning. I want to show you how I was able to create these AI models and also start your own journey of promoting your influencer, creating an account for a social media account for her, and start earning also money with your AI model. And we are going to create a character called Maya, and I'm going to show you how I was able to generate these stunning images. And these images you're seeing here are not real. They are AI generated images that I've just created. And for Maya, she has one sole purpose. She is going out on adventure. She's going to advertise to promote various tourist destinations. And let's see how she will start making this money and how she'll be traveling. We are going to place this character in some of the top places that you'll wish to visit. And as you can see, she's so lively. She has a good body shape. She has a curvy shape and she looks just wow. And before I get further into it, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So let's get into it. Now to get started, we are going to use ChatGPT to create our prompts. This is where we shall get the description of our character. So the first thing we are going to do is to get a prompt. And I have here a prompt that I'm going to use. And here it is. Write a prompt for a female AI model character by the name Maya. Give her a curvy body shape. And I'll just wish to add a realistic. Great. So here's my prompt. Write a prompt for a realistic female AI model character by the name Maya. Give her a curvy body shape. So let's go ahead and generate. And here we go. And here is our prompt. Now look at that prompt that ChatGPT has just come up with. And let me just read part of it. Create a highly realistic female AI model named Maya. She has a curvy, well-proportioned body with the natural soft contours. Her skin is smooth with a warm, skin-kissed glow. Maya has deep, expressive eyes that radiate intelligence and warmth. Now just look at that. Look, even the hair description. Her dark wavy hair cascades over her shoulders. Wow, framing her face beautifully. I like this. I like this. She carries herself with grace and poise. Now look at that character that we're just going to bring to life. Great. So before I go ahead and generate an image using this prompt, you may want to go ahead and now use this to create prompts for Maya in various scenes, in various tour destinations. Now for this, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give us these prompts. Write 20 prompts for our model on tour adventures in various parts of the world. That is top tourist destinations in the world. For each adventure, describe a suitable outfit she is wearing. Also give a clear description of the scenery and environment around her. Make the Maya character consistent. That is key. The character needs to be consistent. So we have 20 prompts that we want to generate, and there are these 20 prompts that we shall use to generate our images. So let's go ahead and generate the 20 prompts, and here we go. Now look at that. ChatGPT has gone ahead and selected the top destinations in the world. Now here she is in France. This is Greece, this is Japan. Look at that. Here we go. This is Cairo, London, Rio de Janeiro. And here we go. So once we have this, as you can see, she has placed her from Paris, France, Santorini, Greece, all the way. She's even in Venice, Amsterdam, Netherlands, and the last one being Maldives. Now, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and first generate the character. The character, remember the prompt that we got is this. So we want to generate this character. And to do so, all you need to do is just copy this prompt. Now, once you have copied your prompts, head over to this website. It is called PicLumen. Just enter piclumen.com. And from here, we shall generate free AI images that are hyper realistic, and these images we shall use to create. So once you are here, tap on generate for free. It will open this page. As you can see, these are my previous creations, and I have gone ahead, experimented with this tool, and indeed it does a wonderful and a great job. And the good thing is this website is for free, so you can go ahead, generate as many images as you want. Now, I want to show you how you can create our character and make her consistent in all our 20 prompts. So to generate or to create your image with this AI tool, just click on create and then go on top here to paste your prompt. So the prompt that we have copied, I'll just go ahead and paste it here. And here we go. The next thing you need to do is to select the aspect ratio. We want portrait size photos or images. And to create the portrait size images, we need to choose a ratio that is either square like this or just a portrait like this. So we can vary. First, let me begin with the square images, and then you can choose the number of images you want to create or to generate per prompt. And for this case, you can generate up to 2 images for free. So let's go ahead and select the 2. And to generate, just tap on this button. Alternatively, you can use a combination of Control plus Enter on your keyboard to submit the task. So let's go ahead and generate and give it a moment. And look at our character. The first one is hidden. I don't know why. Great. So we have these two. I'm okay with these two. This is so great. This is so nice. Wow. And as you can see, this tool just brought it out as I expected. And now we want to use this to generate other prompts for our character. Great. Now that we have this prompt, let's go ahead and generate the various scenes our character is. Now to do that, I'll go ahead and select now the prompts under each from number 1 to 20. So I'll go ahead and select our first prompt. This is in Paris. I'll select this. Now let me show how you can create or generate now a consistent image using our previous history. For instance, I'm going to use this, and to generate an image that is consistent with this, head over down here, use this button here, or use this option here called remix. So when we remix, we are simply instructing this tool to remember or to use the features in our images for the next image. Here, just go ahead and now replace the previous prompt, as you can see here on top, with your current prompt now. And here we go. Now look at that. And that is the second one. I like the generation. This is great. Now let's go again and generate the next prompt. Here we go. It is our character will be in Greece. Select the remix and then highlight all these and then replace it with our current. Now we want her in Santorini, Greece. I'll leave the images to 2, the aspect ratio to be square. Then go ahead and generate and see what will come out next. Look at that. And I like how the dressing, look at the dressing, how it is consistent in the 2 images. This is so nice. This is so great. Now go ahead and do this for all the other images. So I'll go ahead and generate for the other images, and then I'll show you how we can download these images and start using them. So I'll speed up for the rest of the images. And finally, this is the last one. Let's see what comes out. Wow, this is pretty nice. So we are done. Now look at this. We have generated over 40 images just within minutes. And these are the images we're going to use to create our posts. Our AI model is ready. Our AI model for adventure is ready. And it is time just to go ahead and now extract these images and start publishing our posts, creating Facebook posts, Twitter posts, or Instagram posts. Now all we need to do from here is to download our images. Now that we have placed her in all the best, in all the sceneries, in all the backgrounds, and in all top tourist destinations around the world, it is time to download our images straight to our computer. To download these images, all you need to do is to click on an image, and then we have the download button here. Once you click on it, the image will be downloaded straight to your computer, and you can see the first image is here. So to download, you can also just use also this shortcut. There's a download button. Once you have downloaded all your images, it's time to go ahead and create your own Instagram page and start publishing. Create a profile on Instagram, create a profile on Twitter or Facebook, and make now your character live. Let her start doing things that you want her to do. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me, and go out and try out all these generations and start earning money from it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.